There is something almost indescribable about stepping into Mexico for the very first time. The moment you arrive, your senses are immediately overwhelmed in the most beautiful way possible. The colors are brighter, the sounds are richer, and the aromas drifting through the air are unlike anything you have ever experienced before. Mexico is not just a destination. It is a feeling, a rhythm, a living and breathing culture that wraps itself around you and refuses to let go. From the ancient ruins that rise dramatically against the sky to the turquoise waters lapping at pristine beaches, this country offers a depth of experience that few places on earth can match. Whether you are drawn by history, cuisine, nature, or simply the warmth of the people, Mexico delivers on every single promise. First-time visitors often say they came expecting a vacation and left with a transformation. That is the power of this extraordinary country. So if you are planning your very first trip and wondering where to begin, consider this your essential guide to the most amazing places to visit and the most unforgettable foods to eat during your Mexican adventure. Your journey almost certainly begins in Mexico City, one of the largest and most vibrant cities on the entire planet. This sprawling metropolis sits at an elevation of roughly 2,240 meters above sea level, which means first-time visitors sometimes feel a slight breathlessness upon arrival. Give yourself a day to adjust, and then dive headfirst into everything this city has to offer. The historic center, known as the Centro Histórico, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and the perfect starting point. Here, you will find the Zócalo, one of the largest public squares in the world, flanked by the magnificent Metropolitan Cathedral and the National Palace. Inside the National Palace, the legendary murals painted by Diego Rivera stretch across enormous walls, telling the story of Mexican civilization in breathtaking detail. Just a short walk away lies the Templo Mayor, the ruins of the great Aztec temple that once stood at the heart of the ancient city of Tenochtitlan. Standing among those stones, you can feel the weight of centuries pressing down around you. Beyond the historic center, the neighborhoods of Coyoacan and Roma Norte offer a completely different energy. Coyoacan is where Frida Kahlo was born and lived, and her home, now known as the Blue House or Casa Azul, has been transformed into a museum that draws visitors from around the world. The cobblestone streets, colorful buildings, and lively markets of Coyoacan feel like stepping into a different era entirely. If Mexico City is the country's beating heart, then Oaxaca is its soul. Located in southern Mexico, this state is celebrated for its extraordinary indigenous culture, its stunning colonial architecture, and above all, its food. The city of Oaxaca de Juarez is compact enough to explore on foot, which makes it ideal for first-time visitors who want to soak in every detail. The streets are lined with buildings painted in warm ochres, deep reds, and vivid greens, and the air carries the constant scent of copal incense drifting from churches and markets. The Zócalo in Oaxaca is a wonderful place to sit, sip a coffee, and simply watch the world go by. Nearby, the Templo de Santo Domingo is one of the most ornate Baroque churches in all of Latin America, its golden interior glowing like something from another world. A short drive from the city brings you to Monte Alban, the ancient Zapotec city, perched dramatically on a flattened mountaintop with panoramic views stretching in every direction. The ruins here date back over 2,500 years and represent one of the earliest complex civilizations in Mesoamerica. Oaxaca is also home to some of the most vibrant markets in Mexico, including the Mercado Benito Juárez and the Mercado de Abastos, where local vendors sell everything from hand-woven textiles to fresh produce to an astonishing variety of chiles and mole pastes. No first visit to Mexico would be complete without spending time on the Yucatan Peninsula, a region that manages to combine ancient Mayan history with some of the most spectacular natural and coastal scenery in the entire country. Chichen Itza is perhaps the most iconic archaeological site in all of Mexico and one of the new 7 wonders of the world. The Pyramid of El Castillo rises 30 meters into the sky and was built with such mathematical During the spring and autumn equinoxes, the shadow cast on its staircase creates the illusion of a serpent descending toward the earth. It is a sight that stops you completely in your tracks. Beyond Chichen Itza, the Yucatan is dotted with cenotes, which are natural sinkholes filled with crystal-clear fresh water that the ancient Maya considered sacred gateways to the underworld. Swimming in a cenote for the first time is an experience that defies easy description. The water is impossibly clear and cool. The light filters down through the opening above, and you feel simultaneously small and profoundly connected to something ancient and powerful. The coastal town of Tulum has become one of Mexico's most talked about destinations, blending Mayan ruins perched dramatically above the Caribbean Sea with a bohemian beach culture that attracts travelers from every corner of the globe. Nearby, the city of Mérida serves as the cultural capital of the Yucatan and is widely considered one of the safest and most livable cities in all of Mexico, with a rich colonial heritage and a food scene that rivals anywhere in the country. Talking about Mexico without dedicating serious attention to its food would be like describing a symphony by mentioning only one instrument. Mexican cuisine was recognized by UNESCO as an intangible cultural heritage of humanity, and once you taste it in its authentic form, you will understand exactly why. Begin with tacos, because tacos are not just food in Mexico, they are a way of life. Forget everything you think you know about tacos from back home. In Mexico, a taco is a small, soft corn tortilla filled with anything from slow-braised pork carnitas to grilled beef carne asada to tender barbacoa cooked overnight in underground pits. In Mexico City, tacos al pastor are an absolute must. Thin slices of marinated pork are carved from a vertical spit and served with pineapple, onion, and cilantro on a small, warm tortilla. The combination of smoky, sweet, and savory is nothing short of revelatory. In Oaxaca, the food takes on an entirely different character. Mole Negro, the complex dark sauce made from dozens of ingredients including multiple varieties of chiles, chocolate, and spices, is considered one of the most sophisticated culinary creations in the world. It takes days to prepare properly, and the result is a sauce of extraordinary depth and complexity, typically served over turkey or chicken with a side of black beans and fresh tortillas, made by hand right in front of you. Tlayudas are another Oaxacan staple worth seeking out. Essentially large, crispy tortillas spread with black bean paste, asiento, which is unrefined pork fat, Oaxacan cheese, and your choice of meat. On the Yucatan Peninsula, the food shifts again, reflecting the unique Mayan heritage of the region. Cochinita pibil is the dish that defines Yucatecan cuisine. Slow-roasted pork marinated in achiote paste and bitter orange juice, wrapped in banana leaves and cooked in an underground oven called a pib. The result is meltingly tender, deeply flavored meat that is served in tacos with pickled red onions and habanero salsa. Pak chuk, thin slices of pork marinated in sour orange and grilled over charcoal, is another regional specialty that showcases the bright, citrus-forward flavors that characterize Yucatecan cooking. And then there is the street food culture that runs through every city and town in Mexico like a golden thread. Elotes, which are grilled corn on the cob slathered with mayonnaise, cotija cheese, chili powder, and lime juice, are sold from carts on virtually every street corner and represent one of the great, simple pleasures of Mexican life. Tamales, made from masa dough filled with meat or cheese, or sweet fillings and steamed inside corn husks or banana leaves, have been eaten in Mexico for thousands of years and remain one of the most comforting foods imaginable. Churros dusted with cinnamon sugar and served with thick hot chocolate for dipping are the perfect way to end any evening spent wandering the streets of a Mexican city. When your first visit to Mexico finally comes to an end, something remarkable happens. You realize that the country has quietly settled into some part of you that you did not even know was empty before. The flavors linger on your palate, the colors stay vivid in your memory, and the warmth of the people you encountered along the way leaves a permanent impression on your heart. Mexico is a country of extraordinary contrasts and extraordinary generosities, a place where ancient civilizations and modern creativity exist side by side in a constant, beautiful conversation. Every first-time visitor leaves with the same quiet certainty that this was only the beginning and that they will absolutely, without question,